Hi, my name is Wedermawan Gea and I am from 12 2. I will tell about the beach from North Nias. Let's go. Nias is an island in the western part of Indonesia. Nias has a lot of beauty, including natural beauty. One example is the beach. Its cool beaches make us comfortable and calm, especially coupled with a beautiful sunset and great for taking pictures. Most people on Nias prefer to work as fishermen. Around the coast that I am in, there is a tourist spot that is Favola Indah. On the beach too, we can find a variety of fishing boats that are used for fishing. Every Sunday, people flock to the beach to swim or do other activities. Clear beach water seemed not in the weather, and many more beauty found on the beach.